Hello friends, in today's video I'm gonna be walking through how to embed videos in Squarespace. But before getting started this video, make sure to subscribe. How to 1 minute. So first of all, open your Squarespace and click on edit, and for example I want to add or embed a video here, so I'm clicking on this plus icon, and you can embed a video from YouTube or Vimeo by selecting code option or directly embed option. So I'm going to selecting here embed, and now here you have to enter your video links. So I'm going to my YouTube and copying my video URL and pasting it here. And here you can see the video has been successfully embedded, and you can add a custom feature image. So this was how we can embed videos in Squarespace. If you think to see more Squarespace videos, please check the links in descriptions. If this video helped you, give a thumbs up and please consider subscribe to How to 1 Minute. Thank you for watching.